There are many changes in your body that you don't notice. But do you know? Body changes are the best indicators of health problems. Some changes in your body that you might not notice can be a warning sign of any disease. Dear viewers, today we've decided to tell you about which body signals should definitely be paid closer attention to. So keep watching the video, and don't forget to like and share the video. Hair loss. When you begin losing hair on your head, it could be a sign of different conditions including thyroid disease. In an instance where there is a large amount of shedding hair at once, it could be due to a skin condition or a thyroid issue among others. Therefore, need to monitor how much hair you lose, and get immediate medical attention if you feel the hair loss is abnormal. Dry or cracked lips. If you've ever suffered from flaking dry skin, you'll know how annoying and uncomfortable it is. This is a clear sign of an allergy, so pay close attention to the cosmetics that you use, as well as oral hygiene products, food that you eat, and even medicines. Thinning eyebrows. Your eyebrows can say a lot about your health. If there is excess hair loss or complete disappearance of the eyebrows, then it can be connected to an excessive or insufficient level of thyroid activity. You should get your thyroid checked in such a case, and take medications as suggested by your doctor. Dry heels. This is one of the most common irritations that we have, and when the skin on your feet gets dry, this is an indication that you lack vitamins A and E. It can also be caused by a fungal infection that affects the overall condition of the epidermis. If dryness and roughness don't disappear even with proper care and adequate intake of vitamins, this may be a sign of endocrine disruption. Dry skin. Dry skin is mostly experienced in cold weather, though most people alleviate it with moisturizers. Additionally, dehydration is another cause of dry skin, which requires one to take more water. Moreover, a lack of vitamin A and E are also known to cause dry skin, which gets affected by the overall condition of the epidermis. Lastly, dry skin could be an early symptom of hypothyroidism or diabetes. So pay close attention to it. Unintentional weight loss. If you are losing weight unintentionally without any exercise or diet, it may be an indicator of some serious health problem. Extreme weight loss can be a result of viral infection, bowel disease, overactive thyroid, or even lung cancer. If you experience too much weight loss without any exercise and diet, you must get yourself checked soon. Thanks for watching the video. Are you aware of any other small changes in the body that can indicate a developing disease? Please tell us about it in the comments, and don't forget to like and share the video.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.